Hi, champs. So, welcome back again to all of you in the another Sunday live session. And today we are going to make an surprise animation or this short story animation. So, let's start the session. But before starting the session, let's see what we had learned till the last session. So, till the last session, we had created the space talk animation, catch the bus animation, catch the bug program for playing the game, and also the silly eyes animation for controlling the sprite eyes with the help of their mouse. And also we had learned the following topics, like how can you set up your stage, how can you code your sprite for animating them, how can you use the repeat block if you want to perform something for a certain time, how can you use the broadcast block for sending a message from one sprite to another sprite, and also we use the forever block for performing something again and again without any limitation. So let's start the today's session, and today we are going to make a short story animation. So the story which we are going to animate is the following. So there is a dense forest. And in the evening time, a mouse is going towards their home. But during going towards their home, suddenly he saw an apple. After seeing the apple, he just tried to catch that apple. But when he catch that apple, it will convert to the ghost. And then because of that fear, the mouse will return and will hide inside the tree. So today we are going to animate this story of a mouse. So like the earlier, first of all, we have to divide this project into the two parts. The first one is the state decoration and the another one is the coding. So first of all, go to the Scratch editor, online Scratch editor, and decorate your stage. So just go to the scratch.mit.edu. Remove this cat because we are not going to use that sprite in our project. And now come on the slides again. So first of all, we had to decorate the stage. And for the stage decoration, just add some background or the backdrop and add some sprite. So first of all, add the forest background or the backdrop. Go to the Scratch editor. Click on this icon for adding the backdrop. Now click on this search bar. In the search bar, search the forest and just choose the jungle. And now come again on the slide. And now we had to add the mouse, apple, and also the ghost sprite. So again, go to the Scratch editor. Click on this option. Click on choose a sprite. Now first search the mouse. Click on that sprite for adding it on the stage. Now again go to the choose a sprite section. Now search the apple and we are able to see the apple on the first row. So just click on it for adding it on the stage. And in the same way for adding the ghost. Just type the ghost, click on the ghost and it will be on the stage. And now we have to, first of all, we have to position them. Change the size if you want to change. Like here I'm changing the mouse size from 100 to 80. Apple size from 100 to 40. And the ghost size the same, which is 100. So now we are done by decorating the stage. So for decorating the stage, we added the jungle background and the mouse, apple, and the ghost sprite. And now come on the coding part. So now we have to write the code for animating all these things, for making a story animation, short story animation. Sorry. So come again on the slides. So now we are already done by adding all these backdrop and the sprite. And now we have to write the code for animating all these things. So now we are going to animate the things with the help of the screenshot of the story. So first of all, the first screenshot, when we click on the flag icon, when we start our program, there will be a blank screen with only the forest background. So come on the Scratch editor. Now when we click on this flag icon, there will be only background, not any sprite. So just first write the code for the mouse sprite and also change the direction of the mouse before writing the code. So change the direction from the 90 to 55 or 50. You can also input the number in this section. Yeah. So now first of all, we have to write the code. When we click on the flag icon, there should be no any sprite, only the background, which is jungle. So go to the under the code tab, go to the event section. When click on the flag, just hide the sprite. So go to the look section, drag hide. And now in the same way, write the code for the rest of the sprite, for the apple and also for the ghost. Go to the event section and click on the flag icon, hide it, and for that, go to the look section, drag the hide block. Same for the ghost sprite. When flag click, just hide the sprite. So now click on the flag and see the changes on the stage. So now when I clicked on the flag, there is nothing. There is only a background, which is jungle. Now come again on the slides. We are done with the first screenshot. When I'm clicking on the flag icon, there is only a background, which is jungle. Now after this, I need to write the code. When I click the space bar, mouse will appear and it will start to go towards their home. Again, when I clicked on the space bar icon from my keyboard, the mouse will start to move towards their home. Now again, go to the Scratch editor and write the code for the same functionality. So go to the Scratch editor. Now when I click on the space bar, so for adding the key action, for detecting the key, go to the sensing section from the code tab. And yeah, there is a block with the name of key space pressed. Or let's see inside the event section. Yeah, inside the event section also there is a block if you want to use your keyboard key. So just go to the event section, drag the event space key press. First of all, we need to show that sprite because it's already in the hide mode. So go to the look section, show the sprite, and now we need to write the code for moving the mouse from their initial position towards their home. So first, let's see when I'm clicking on the space key, the mouse is showing or not. So we write the code for the ghost. We just delete it and copy this code first into the mouse sprite. So just drag your code and just attach it inside the mouse sprite and delete it from there. Oh, it's not copied. Just right again. So go to the event section. When a space key pressed, go to the look section and show the sprite. So again, click on the space key. First, click on the flag icon. Yeah. Now click on the space key and mouse will be there. And now we need to write the code for moving the mouse from their initial position towards their home. So for moving it again and again, we are going to use the repeat block because we need to move it for a certain time, not forever. So go to the control section, drag the repeat block. Inside the repeat, add the code for moving it for some step with the gap of some delay. So just add a delay of 0.5 seconds. Add it inside the repeat. And now again click on the space key after clicking on the flag icon and see the changes on the stage. Yeah, mouse is moving, but it's not looking more realistic. So for looking it more realistic, just change the costume of the mouse. So go to the costume section and see there is a costume available or not. Oh, so already there the two costumes are there. And if we will change the costume from one to another, then it will look like it's moving. So just add one more block. So go to the look section and add the block with the name of next costume inside the repeat block. And let's see again. So again, click on the space key after clicking on the flag icon. Oh, it's looking okay. The animation looking okay, but it's not starting their moving action from the initial position. So whenever I'm click on the space key, it should be on their initial position, which is this. So just drag your mouse wherever you want to put when you click on the space key. And after putting your mouse on that position, go to the motion section, drag the go to block and attach it below to the show. Above to the show. Because first change the position and then show the sprite. So now again click on the space and see the changes on the stage. Okay, so make it more smooth. Decrease the number of steps from 10 to 4. Let's see again. But now we need to cover the more distance. So just increase the number of repeats from 10 to 40. And let's see again. Okay. So just decrease the number of steps from 4 to 3. It will be a little bit smooth again. So again, click on the space key and see the changes on the stage. Okay, stop it. Click on the flag icon and also decrease the delay from 0.5 to 0.2. So click again on the space key and see the changes on the stage. Yeah, it's looking more realistic and smooth. So when the mouse reached on that location, then we need to write the code for appearing the apple. So first come again on the slides. So already we write the code. When we click on the flag, there will be only jungle background. And after that, when we click on the space key, the mouse will go from their initial position to towards their home. And after this, we need to write the code. When the mouse will reach on this location, just appear the apple. Apple will be there randomly. So again, come on the scratch editor. So after reaching on this location, the mouse will send the message to the apple sprite. So for sending a message from one sprite to another sprite, we are going to use the broadcast block. So go to the event section and drag the block with the name of broadcast. First choose the message, what message you want to broadcast. So click on the new message, write the message. Like I have completed 40 steps. So after completing 40 steps, it will send the message. And when the Apple will receive this message, it will appear. So when I receive, I have completed 40 steps, just appear the Apple sprite, show it. So go to the look section, drag the show block and attach it below to the when I receive this message. So again, click on the flag icon, then a space key and see the changes on the stage. So now when the mouse will complete the 40 step, it will send a message, right? It will send a message that I've completed 40 steps. And when this message is received by the Apple, it will start to show. So now come again on the slides. We are done with the 3 screenshot. In the first, we need to write the code. It will show only a jungle when we click on the flag icon. Then we need to write the code. When we click on the space key, the mouse will start to move towards their home. And then mouse will complete some steps. The apple will be appear. So in the fourth screenshot, we need to write the code. After taking a little bit delay for taking the decision, mouse will move again for catching the apple. Again, we have written the code for appearing the apple. So mouse will see it and take a little bit delay for taking the decision. And after taking the decision, it will start to move again for catching the apple. So come again on the scratch editor. So after showing it, it will also send a message. I have appeared. So go to the event section, broadcast a message, and just write a new message. I have appeared. And now when this message received by the mouse, so when I received, I have appeared. Just take a little bit delay for making the decision. So go to the control tab, drag wait block, add a wait of 0.5 seconds, which is enough. And now write the same code. To duplicate it. Oh, stop it first. So when I received, I appeared. Just take a little bit delay and just repeat 2 times. So now again click on the flag icon and then the space key and see the changes on the stage. So when it will complete 40 steps, So just increase the number of repeats from 2 to 3. And also change the apple position. Yeah, that's it. Now again click on the flag icon. Now click space key, space bar. Let's see again. Yeah. So now without testing, just increase the number 4 and now it will be okay. And if you want to see again, then you can see. So after completing some distance, a mouse will show, oh, there is an apple randomly. And then after taking a decision, it will start to catch it. But when it will catch the apple, then it will suddenly change to the ghost. So again, come on the slides. So we have write the code for the first one, second one, third one, and also for the fourth one. And now we need to change the mouse to the ghost. So when the mouse will catch the apple, then it will change to the ghost. Again, come on the scratch editor. So after catching the apple, we need to again broadcast a message for sending it to the ghost so that it will receive the message and it will appear. And also the apple will disappear. So go to the event section, broadcast message, write a new message like I've caught the apple. And when this message received by the ghost, it will start to appear. And when this message received by the apple, it will start to disappear. Broadcast this message. When I receive, I've caught the apple. Just hide the apple. So go to the look section, drag the hide block, go to the ghost sprite. So when this sprite ghost receive, I've caught the apple. Now show this sprite. So go to the look section, drag the show block. That's it. Now again click on the flag icon and now press the spacebar key from your keyboard to see the changes. Oh, also change the position of the ghost. Yeah, you can drag it on the stage also. So now we are completed. With the fifth screenshot also, where the apple is going to convert it to the ghost. And now at the end, we need to write the code. So after fearing from the ghost, the mouse is going to back and it will hide inside the tree. So come again on the scratch editor. So after showing it, it will also broadcast the message. So go to the event section, broadcast a message. I'm the ghost. And when this message received by the mouse, it will start to move backward. So when I receive, I'm the ghost. Just write the same code. So first duplicate it. Oh, stop it. So when I receive, I am the ghost. Repeat 43 times. And now the mouse will move backward. So instead of moving 3 steps, move the -3 step. So first check it on the stage and then we will debug again based on the animation. So first of all, click on the flag icon, then the space key and see the changes on the stage. It will caught the mouse and when it see that there is a ghost, it will start to move backward. So after moving backward, we also need to hide the mouse. So after completing all these repeats, just hide the sprite. So go to the look section and hide it. And if you are hiding, then don't forget to show it. So when you click on the space key, show the sprite. Yeah, there is already. We are already showing the sprite. Check it again. First, click on the flag icon for restarting the program. Click the space bar key from your keyboard for moving the mouse from their initial position to towards their home. So because of that fear, it start to going back, move towards, and will hide inside the tree. So let's see again. Not only this, you can animate any story. You can animate your daily routine in the side the scratch. So like this, you can also tell the story to anyone. So you can create any type of story animation inside the scratch editor. So first, just decide which story you want to animate. Just convert that story into the small part, like what you have to do one by one. And then just first decorate your stage and write the code step by step based on your animation. That's it. Thank you so much, champs. That's it for today's session. Let's see you on the next Sunday with the next project. So bye. See you again.